Here is how to change the password of your Google account. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is come to your browser, and once you're here, you have to search for myaccount.google.com. Search for this, and if you aren't already logged in with your Google account, you'll have to log in with the account whose password you'll want to change. And if you want to change the account with which you've logged in, you can just click on the icon on the top right, and here select the account whose password you'll want to change. So once you've reached this page with the correct account, you have to click on Google password that's written here. After that, you'll just have to put your old password or your passkey if that's enabled. Once that is done and they've verified you, the next step is to enter your new password twice. So on this page, I'll have to do that. So once you've entered the same password twice, just click on Change Password. So here they've said that even after changing the password, you'll remain signed in to these two devices. So now I'll just click on Change Password, and they've said your password was changed. So from now on, you can use your new password to log into your Google account. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.